Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2015 Honda Pilot EXL with the rear entertainment system. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6, basically the same engine you'd find in a ton of Hondas and Acura SUVs for the last 20 years or so, maybe longer. It has a 5-speed automatic transmission, and you have 250 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque in this Honda Pilot. Here's the backup camera in this vehicle. You have a perforated leather steering wheel, and this also has leather seats as it's an EXL. Well, let's go walk around this Pilot. It's a gray exterior. You have halogen headlights. And you have a third row. Here's the rear entertainment system. It's a little TV right there. You can play DVDs on it. You can also plug in like a gaming system if you wanted to, which is kind of cool. You have the AC controls for rear passengers, and I also like how there are cup holders in the rear doors. That makes it practical for rear passengers to fit drinks and everything like that. And here's the cargo area with the third row up. You have dual outlet exhaust. Those exhausts look pretty good. And the styling of this car is pretty, normal. There's really nothing interesting about it. It's just like, a family SUV. Let's get this Pilot out on the road and see what it's like to drive. Yeah, the interior is like really basically like what you find in a Honda Odyssey from this time as well. They all have pretty much the same interiors. I really love this engine, this 3.5 liter V6. You can't go wrong with. I've owned multiple Acuras with this engine, and I love the engine. It sounds amazing, has great power delivery, and it's quite reliable too. And you have Bluetooth as well, as you can see there. So yeah, acceleration's decent. I mean, provides enough for daily driving. But yeah, pretty nice drive. It's pretty smooth actually. And this one has 115,000 miles and it drives very, very nice for having that kind of miles on it. Blind spots are pretty good too. nice. Feels good. But yeah, I'm impressed with this, and this specific one is well taken care of. With having 115,000 miles and feeling suspension feeling this smooth, the car feeling pretty, I mean, the interior's in pretty good condition too. It's a 10-year-old car now. This is a nice car. And the Pilot and both the Honda Pilot and Acura MDX have always been very popular three-row SUVs, the MDX being the luxury version of the Pilot. But yeah, back in 2015, the MDX definitely looked a lot better than the Pilot, than this Pilot does in 2015, and then also the MDX offered, you know, the 2-screen setup and better interior features and everything like that. But the Pilot was a great option if you didn't want to spend the money on an MDX, but you still got the same engine and everything like that. But yeah, overall experience, the car is enjoyable to drive for what it is. Steering's pretty good. Seats are pretty comfortable. And in the used market, you could pick up like an older, Pilot or MDX in the 15 to 20K range. So that would be a lot of car for the money at that point, right? And you always have the Honda and Acura reliability. Like, you can see this car having 115,000 miles, being in this good condition, driving this well. It's pretty cool to see that. And so you basically control the screen using this little knob right here, it looks like. Yeah. I do wish this knob was a little bit higher for easier access, because you have to reach all the way low, and you also have heated and not heated and ventilated seats, just heated seats, low and high options as well. But overall, pretty nice Pilot. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for pre-owned vehicles like this Pilot.